So the way I would introduce look would be the same thing. My child already knows the jingle. We've been singing all day long. She now knows stop because we've been doing the freeze game. We stop all day long. We make it really fun. So they want to freeze and stop. And what it is actually doing is practice having control over their body. And once they know how to stop, then they can go on to look. So this might be something, again, depending on your morning routine. I know mornings can be hectic, but maybe it's something that before, when they come into bed with you or you go into their room, that you stop and look with them in the morning. And it's a great way for you to start your own day, where you are stopping and you're doing the body scan from head to toe, and you're looking to what your body's doing. So do the whole body scan and then start explaining to your child what is going on in your own body. Okay, maybe your eyes are very sleepy. You feel they're very heavy. Your nose, maybe it's stuffed up. Maybe you're clenching your jaw. Maybe your shoulders are up here, or your shoulders are relaxed. You could also say, my shoulders are relaxed. Your chest, what's going on with their hands? Are their hands tense? Are they relaxed? So move all the way down, butterflies in the stomach, are your feet tight, your toes? Just make it part of your conversation. Hey, maybe at breakfast, before nap time, when you're driving in the car, before and after lunch, any transition, make it part of your bedtime routine where they look at what's going on in their body. And again, if there's someone who is very anxious going to bed, have them describe what is going on in their body so they can identify how their body reacts when they're anxious. You know the word anxious, they may not know what that means. So just say, okay, let's do a body scan and see what's going on. And maybe they can start describing to you what is going on, or maybe you can look at them and describe to them what you see is going on in their body. After a while, once you get used to communicating about what's going on in their body and your body, I then want you to sit with the different parts of your body. Just acknowledge it. You're like, I'm doing body scan, my shoulders are up to here. Just focus on your shoulders for a while and see if they start to come down. Again, this is not a race. Do not rush it. Just start noticing what is going on in your body. If you have butterflies, again, that might be something where just watch the butterflies and see if they subside. Okay, this might be time, but again, something with practice. Parents, I also want to encourage you that when you're introducing the superpower look to your child or children, that to, on occasion or every occasion, have them also scan their body and have them tell you what feels good and why it feels good. And they may even say, well, nothing feels good, but then really encourage them to okay, go. So it may be does your earlobe feel good? So if there's nothing on their body that feels good, just kind of go to, does your hair feel good? So just have them focus and then have them start thinking about how their body responds to situations where something on their body still feels good. Please share with me how that goes with your children and for yourself. And like I always say, have fun being calm.